Welcome back to another beautiful video today, guys. I got my boy Howard to give me a hand too. Peace posted. Today we're gonna be working on Lee motor of Lee 350Z. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's been like burning. It was a fire near my house, or like not near my house, but like there's a fire near my city, and the sky's been looking like this, kind of weird all day, you know. It looks kind of foggy, kind of ashy. Ash for everywhere on the cars this morning, like if it was snow, but it's just ash. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just ash everywhere. Alright, so earlier I took apart, I put back together the front of the motor, I put back all the accessories, all the driveline accessories, so like the pulleys and all that, tensioners and all that, and I put it back together, so it's that. That part's complete, so the next thing I need to do is just slap on the valve covers that I got chilling over here. And after a very hectic experience at the O'Reilly store, finally got my parts that I needed, my gaskets. Most part, I think they look the same, just these little tabs, but in reality, what those tabs I think are is they go like right here and they tell you how much like oil you have, or like built up was. But other than that, I don't really think, which one was I looking at? I don't really think it has like an actual reason for it, because if you see, it's just gonna stick out like that, so it's just gonna be sticking out. But on this side, you know? Putting it on? Yeah, so I'm gonna put them on right now. But I don't know echa mano, you know, so.
I know, that's how I'm doing. They're fine for the most part, plus.
Yeah, everything seems to just go on pretty smooth.
Yeah, everything was going on pretty smooth, so. Yeah, it's chilling. It's chilling.
Yeah, I don't know where these gaskets went, so like the other ones, but I think these are all the same
now. They should only go one way, no?
No, they're hella different. These are hella different.
Yeah, no, but they should only go like on one, no?
Yeah, well, this one looks like it's for this one, yeah.
Yeah. Try on the other one. Non-major. How will they fit, you know? You didn't get the ones for these or what?
Nah, these aren't replaceable on mine.
No, eh?
Yeah, on mine and your motor. Wait, no, on mine.
On mine I can.
Yeah, on yours you can. On these motors and these you can't change them.
Oh, eh?
You gotta just fucking get a new one, yeah?
Damn. Yeah, because mine can't.
Oh, see, look, the gasket's there on this one. An actual, you know? So I'm just gonna try to clean all this gunk up.
Air hose.
Yeah, air hose it, then clean this up. Use some gasoline on it like I always do, you know? And then fucking wrap it up, call it a day, and start doing all the wiring harness, you know? They got like a stepped nut. There you go. See? You guys can see that for the valve covers. Yes, sir. Starting to look more and more like a normal engine. Me and Hyro put the valve covers on. Put these on. Put the hose back on. Put down my fuel regulator. Bolted it down. So all I need to do now is just run the wiring harness, clean up some stuff, and we should be good to go. Cameraman just pulled up too, you know, and then made it. What's up, my boy? Got the motor over here looking like a snack. Everything's connected. Everything seems cool from what I can see. So I think it's good. Looks good. Looks great. She looks real good this time. I may or may not wash it. I'm debating it right now. I'm kind of not trying to wash it right now. I'm gonna wash the car though. The car, Hyro didn't know this, but he knows now that he's gonna be washing the car right now.
What?
Okay, easy. We're gonna buzz down, fucking wash it. This thing's kind of gross. Well, I don't know how old it is, but has all that build up from 2007. You guys can see that tar. Anyways, we're gonna clean it, wash it up, make it look like it's about to come to life, you know? Alright, so we busted down. Everything's pretty clean. I'm really happy with it. There's some areas of concern that I need to touch up with paint, so it's not bare metal, but so far it looks pretty good, and I'm happy with the results, you know? Looks cool. There's not all kinds of gunk built up right here, so everything looks good. Just touch it up with paint tomorrow when I get time, let it dry. The homie said the engine bay was dirty, so then now I gotta buzz down, clean this sucker up. They said it was dirty, you know? Ivan, wherever he's at, said it was dirty, you know? So I'm gonna buzz down, knock this thing out. Just gave her little bath. This is honestly as good as I can get it, you know? I try to clean up as much as I could on this underside. As good as I can get it, to be honest. I don't think it's too bad. I hope the homies appreciate it, you know? But I think it's cool. So overall, I think we did pretty good today. Motor's all cleaned, car is cleaned up. So tomorrow she's just ready. Get an engine hoist that works, and then we could do all the clutch stuff, like rethread the bolts, put on the new flywheel bolts, put all the clutch back together with the new clutch disc, and then we'll be good to go. And then just throw it in the car, you know? So hopefully tomorrow's the plan. Get an engine hoist that works, and then we can throw it back in, but she's already ready to go. Car's ready to go as well, all cleaned up, ready to go back together. I'm gonna work on a wire tuck for you guys, so that you guys, if you guys ever looking to do that, teach you guys how to do that real quick. I'm gonna do it myself, learn, and then I'll be able to share it with you guys. I got you guys. It's starting to get late. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. I hope this was helpful to some of you guys. Engine harness wasn't too hard. I would say let everything just kind of fall into place. Obviously, you need to remember that you have your throttle bodies, you got your manifold to plug in later, you know, stuff on the actual chassis. So if there's connectors left over, don't worry about it. Worry about it when it's actually in the car. So we're gonna do that later. I'm the video here. It's getting kind of late. I'm gonna get going throughout my day, you know. I hope you guys have an amazing, wonderful day, and catch you guys on the next one.